Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2015 Ford Expedition. This Ford is featured in a gray paint finish and is the limited trim. Under the hood we have our 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 4-wheel drive system. Inside the vehicle we have seating for 7 on a jet black leather seating surfaces. We have heated and cooled front seats, as well as heated second row captain seats, a powered sunroof, GPS navigation, a rear seat DVD entertainment package. Moving outside of the vehicle, we have alloy wheels, black assist steps, a powered liftgate, a roof rack, cross rails, as well as much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have our chrome finished door handles, power folding mirror controls, power locks, power windows, and our rear window and child safety lock. Speaker up in the door and our blind spot monitors on our mirror. Have some storage as well as another Sony speaker and a cup holder in the bottom of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel we have our exterior lighting controls, display cluster lighting, power adjustable pedals, and a power tilt telescopic steering column on the side of the steering wheel. Down the side of the driver's seat, we have our power settings as well as driver's seat memory, and the seat itself is finished in our jet black leather. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, you can see our display cluster. Can adjust our information on both the left and right hand sides of the steering wheel. And the right hand side, we can also do all of our audio controls. Down to the left hand side of the steering wheel, controls on the top are the controls for our display cluster information system. Then we have our cruise settings below. Right hand side, also our audio display cluster information. Volume, we have our hands-free as well as voice recognition. Push to start ignition behind to the right of the steering wheel. 2 vents on either side of the infotainment system. Just below the vent on the driver hand side, we have our power liftgate, our downhill assist and traction control, integrated trailer brake controller, and all of our transfer case settings. Moving to our infotainment system in the middle, we have phone connection in the top, GPS navigation in the top right, entertainment in the bottom left with our AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, USB, as well as Bluetooth or an SD and line-in settings. Then we also have our climate in the bottom right. You can see we have heated and vented driver's seat and passenger seat. All of our controls across the middle, front and rear defrost, AC, max AC, as well as auto controls, temperature for driver and passenger, as well as our power. We can also adjust our rear climate through the back, can turn it on, we can give control to our back passengers. Have our settings across the bottom as well as our information screen is also the bottom. Below, our CD player, hazard lights, volume controls, our tune, as well as menu controls, 5 or 6 hotkeys, our seek and our media, vented and heated seats controls also below for driver and passenger, as well as climate controls below. A little bit of storage with our key in it. You can see on our key fob, remote start system, a lock and unlock, our powered liftgate, as well as an alarm system. Then we have our shifter. You can see we can shift up and down through it. 2 cup holders opening up into the center console. Inside of it, we have a coin tray that is in the back. You can see we also have a pouch that attaches to it. We currently have our headphones for our DVD entertainment. We have 2 USBs for power, an auxiliary input, as well as our SD slot, and a 12-volt plug. Moving to the passenger seat, it is also powered, vented, heated, and finished in our black leather. Moving above the rearview mirror, we have dome lights on either side that we can turn on with the press of a button, tilt, slide, and vent settings for our sunroof, a sunglass holder. On the overhead for our driver, we have our universal garage door opener. Then we have our sunroof in the front of the vehicle, as well as our DVD player for the second row and our dual captain seats in the second row. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our tires and rims. Our front tire is finished in our chrome alloy rim with a Ford center cap. Moving out, we have paint match mirrors. We have chrome finish door handles with a keyless pad in front of our front door. Black assist step across the bottom of the vehicle, as well as chrome roof rack rail on the top of the vehicle. All the way around to the back, we have our Ford logo in our blue, as well as our Expedition etched into our liftgate and limited and EcoBoost badging. Trailer tow hitch in the center that does have an integrated brake controller, and our exhaust. Powered liftgate, so simply pressing the button, we can open it. Also have access to the front and the back of the vehicle. In the back, we have a 60/40 power folding bench. We can see we also have an additional seat. Can fold it through the passenger side. You can see it's a fold flat and folds flat with the second row seating as well. We can also power fold up from the back. Have a little bit of storage just above where our power fold is, and that is the same on either side. Can lift up the bottom, and then we have some storage underneath. Closing the vehicle, we have our power on the left-hand side inside the vehicle, or our handle in the bottom. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as our speaker and storage in the rest of the door. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. 2 cup holders in the back of our center console. Below it, we have power on the left with a 12 volt and a 110 volt plug. Media controls for our second row across the bottom. Rear climate control in the middle, as well as our heated seats for the second row. Moving to the second row seating, we have twin captain's chairs finished in our black leather. Can fold them down the side of the seat. We can also see we have instructions on how to fold. Simply pulling up, we can fold it flat. We can also turn it into cargo mode, which will flip it forward. Third row seating is a bench seat. We can see it's folded down with an additional seat up top. You can see the one side, it's a 60/40 power split. Cup holder on the passenger side, as well as our 2 cup holders on the other side. Vents, lighting, as well as hooks across the whole vehicle. Then lastly, on the roof between the front 2 seats, we have our Alpine DVD player. You can see it folds down, and we have all of our controls across the top. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2015 Ford Expedition. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.